So, hi guys! Hello guys! So, dito ako sa room namin ngayon. Tapos, nag-vlog ako sa phone kasi nag-charge ako ng camera and also, ang bagal niyang i-transfer sa cellphone or sa tablet ko guys. So, kailangan kong praktisin na ilipat siya sa aming laptop. Diba, binilihan ako ni Craig ng laptop pero hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit. Kasi nga, dito ako lagi nag-i-edit sa cellphone ko. So, ayan. So, yun guys, ipakita ko lang sa inyo na nalagay na nung Wednesday yung aming blinds. Finally. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung sa room namin ni Craig. Ayan, para siyang ano. Hindi ba? So, ito siya. Dalawa yan dito guys. Ito yung yan yung ano kung mainit, dyan lang siya. Tapos, pag araw, ganyan lang yung nilalagay ko. And then, pag matutulog na kami, sinasali ko na to. So, ito lang yung double guys. Dito lang talaga sa room namin ni Craig. Sa ibang mga room, hindi na siya. Hindi na siya double, ganyan lang. So, ganyan yung aming room now, guys. Yan. So, pansensya na kayo dyan kasi malamig ngayon. So, hindi ako makapagsampay dun sa garage namin kasi walang init. So, dyan ako nagsampay. And plus, dito sa isang room, which is dito ako nag-gym guys. So, nag-gym ako, ako kanina. Nag-workout ako kanina. So, yan. So, medyo ano na yung aking chan. And then, may pwet na ako. Charot, joke lang. So, ganyan, di ba? But anyway, ito lang naman ipapakita ko sa inyo yung blinds. So, yan. May blinds na din kami dito sa ano. So, all the way yan siya. Yan, blinds. And then also sa kwarto ng anak ni Craig. But hindi ko na ipapakita yun. So, that's my outfit for today, guys. So, di ba, lumiit na din yung mga braso ko. Yan, basta yun. Dito ako nag-workout. And then, yung ibang mga gamit, of course, nandun pa sa ano namin din yung aking roller up. But yeah, hinihintay ko na si Craig guys. Hindi ako nag-vlog this morning kasi nga naglaba ako. Tapos, tinatransfer ko kasi yung mga videos kanina dito sa cellphone ko para ma-edit ko. Kasi nga, sobrang tagal talaga guys. Tinry ko naman siya sa iPad ko. So, sobrang tagal. Hindi ko pa alam kasi paano ilipat dun sa aking laptop. Kaya naman, magpapaturo ako kay Craig para next time sa laptop na ako mag-i-edit. Sa ngayon dito talaga ako sa cellphone. So katatapos ko lang actually mag-upload ng videos. Yung sinurprise ako ni Craig nitong vanity na binigay niya sa akin guys. So, sobrang cute. So naka-arrange na yung mga makeup ko dyan. Then dito, magbibili pa ako ng organizer. Kasi yung isang organizer ko na gold na ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa mga nails ko, guys. So, yan. Cute na ng aming room. Diba? Mukha siyang maliit sa, ano, guys. Pero, good enough na siya talaga sa amin. So, diba? Ay, lubat ako. So yun, guys. Tatanggalin ko na yung iba dito. Baka tuyo na yan siya. Para mapasok ko na din siya dun sa, ano, garage. Kasi pahapon na. Magpa 5 o'clock na. Tapos, pauwiin din si Craig. So, dyan ako nagsasampay sa aming deck. Kasi kanina maaraw dyan. Pero ngayon, dahil pababa na yung araw, wala na. Kaya tatanggalin ko na yan. So, yun guys. Happy Saturday guys! Today is Saturday. So, lalabas kami ni Craig. Magbe-breakfast kami. Kasi rest day niya today. Of course, it's Saturday. So, pupunta kami sa... Ito namin napuntahan niyo. Hi, malap.
Hello, mate.
I'm vlogging.
Oh, yeah. Fair enough.
So,
I need to get a doodah for you.
what to that?
So
Now, I forgot the white one. We can use the white one.
whatever, just get a black one like a holo.
Okay. That was $8, isn't it?
On a paying $8.
Yeah. Yes, I said it in the camera. Said it more.
I'm not paying $8.
Yeah, you will pay them $80. Joke lang.
But we'll just have to see.
Nandito na kami guys sa kakainan namin na breakfast. First time namin kumain dito. I mean, ako pala. Si Craig nakakain na siya dito. So, ang daming tao kasi maliit lang to siya. Dati kasi itong chapel, ginawa nilang resto. So, yun guys, kain kami ng breakfast. And then after that, susunduin namin si mother-in-law kasi sasama siya sa amin. Mag-sa shopping. Ed. Here's Beb.
Money's up the hill, you know, what's that one called?
No, it's not open anymore.
Oh, isn't it?
No.
Is that closed?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's about 9 hours during the day, and 9 hours during the day on the way back.
People is doing
Yeah.
Oh, 9 hours. Oh, no,
It's so
that's
big.
just the kids. I'm not going on that.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Someone buys you a gift, you got to use it. Chip in with Matt.
Yes, yes. Yeah, which was not these. Ah, yes, yes, yeah, yeah. These are yeah, so but look, we did.
And the pretty colours in it.
Yeah. So, hi guys! So, we just sent mom to her house and me and Beb is here in the car now and we're going to Bunnings! And because we're going to get the what do you call that, my love?
It's a TV bracket. To
A
hang the
TV
on the
bracket,
wall.
so we can hang our TV in the wall. So yun guys, and then we got a lot of shopping today guys. Craig bought me this guys. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. It's a pendant, it's a gold pendant with what is this, Virgin Mary there, because that's what I like, cross or Virgin Mary. And I got a new bag, babe. And we got more stuff in the back also. I'll show you that later guys. Ang dami naming na shopping. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi kasama namin si mother-in-law, so nahiya akong mag-vlog. So ngayon kami na lang dalawa ni Craig. So yan, ang dami niya din na shopping kanina. Dami din siyang nabili. Ang kulit din ni mother-in-law eh. So yun guys, yun yung aming day. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga nabili namin. Yeah, so see you out. Ang cute talaga nito guys, ang ganda.
400
Then,
by
ganun.
400, 700.
Pakita ko lang mamaya, may ano siya. Maliit lang siya na bag. So ganyan siya guys. Very cute. I like it. Gray. I know, may brown and black. And then meron siyang pasling. Basta pakita ko lang mamaya. Ang ganda. Hi guys! Nasa bahay na kami ngayon guys. Kadarating lang namin ni Craig. So, mag-haul ako ng aming mga na-shopping guys. Hinihingal ako kasi tinulungan ko siya magbuhat. So, first, binilihan ako ni Craig na nice na bag. Haha! And then, binilihan niya din ako nitong ganito. And then, now I will do the big stuff. Bless you. Ay, we're gonna do the big stuff first. So, madilim. It's dark. So, ayan. So, bumili ako ng frame. Kasi last time, makabili ako ng mga ano guys. So, bumili kami ni Craig ng frame. Dapat 4 yung kailangan namin bilhin. Pero, yung dalawang wala. So, ito lang. Thank you, Manav.
First things first, bud.
Thank you, Manav. So, ayan. Bumili kami ng dalawang frame for now. And then, we're gonna get another 2. Which is different size, the other one. And second, guys, ang dami namin ng shopping.
Move that other thing.
No, I will just
Oh,
gonna
yeah,
do
okay,
this.
good idea.
Yeah. And then guys, bumili na naman kami ng another center table. Kasi papalitan namin yung center table namin dyan na gray. So, bumili kami ng white yung kanyang ano. So, ito yung nabili namin. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Then, kasi mag-ano na ulit kami ng fish. So, bumili din kami ng stone para sa aming mga fish. And then, next, bumili ulit kami ng cooking pot para sa iba namin ano kasi kulang pa yung aming pot. So, ngayon okay na. So, nakabili din kami. Yan siya. 3 sa isang box. And also, bumili din kami ng para sa aming TV kasi ihang namin sa wall yung TV. So, bumili kami guys. Ayan siya. So, carry siya ng 5 kilograms ang carry nito. And then, hiningal na ako. Oh my God. So, yun. Then, bumili ulit ako ng dried flour. So, ito siya. Ito siya guys. Nakabalot kasi. Basta ipapakita ko na lang mamaya pag na-display ko na siya. Then, bumili din ako ng flour base. Another flour base para sa aming para din sa binili kong dried plant. Dried plant yan siya guys eh. Marami na akong mga indoor plants pero so ito, binili ko siya. Clear lang. Gusto ko kasi yung clear. Mga clear yung kinukuha ko kasi hindi siya nawawala sa uso or kaya white. Maganda clear or white. And then, ano pa ba? Bumili pala ulit kami ng runners. Sa yung para sa table. Sa bago naming table. Bumili ako niyan. Then, ito pala yung binili ni Craig sa akin. Yan. Itong quintas na gold na Mary. So, ayan, nakalagay dito yung aking dating quintas. Ayan siya. So, sinuot ko na yung bagong binili niya sa akin. So, thank you, my love. And bumili kami ng hook para sa aming mga and then bumili ako ng tops. Tap. Cute lang siya. Kasi gusto ko yung black, pero see-through. Kasi mahilig ka sa black. Yun lang, guys. Ano pa ba? I think that's it. Yung nabili namin. And I really like the bag. It's cute! It's just and what kind of this one, babe? No, this one doesn't have a brand.
Might be on the tag. It's LJ.
LG. Sure. Basta.
Well,
They
no,
were
we did-
on sale.
Yeah,
So,
we did read what that said actually.
yeah, I
Just can't
know.
remember.
I forgot now. So it's really cute. I like it. So ganyan siya. Yeah. Then itong aking bodysuit is from Shein. Shein. So ganyan siya. And then, I'm cute. You are my bed. So, i-arrange ko na yung ating bed.
Pardon?
Ilalagay ko na yung ating frame.
What about the front?
I'll put the
Okay,
Or-
go into the letterbox.
Do you want me to go there?
No, you're all right. Nothing for you to
I
do.
will just clean that and fix here. Okay. So, I'll fix some stuff and Craig will do the guys, gagawa si Craig.
Letterbox.
Malab, you say hi there. Malab, do this because you're tall. Sure. So you fit with me.
Yeah. Had a good shopping day, babe.
Yes. I love shopping.
It's good. Then I'll come and I'll put the table together.
Yep. Yay! Yes, that's what we were gonna do the table together. Okay, for now I'll try the painting. So yun guys, we will back again later. Pero gagawin ko lang yung painting. Then lininisan ko dito. Bye. So this is the picture. It's a huge one. It's very big. So, I'll put it down first. It's a lot. so much. Really. Oops. What is this? So I have to take off this. Just wait, kailangan kong tanggalin. Ito. Just wait. Ready to go. That's the cover. And remove this. And put the picture.
So, mate, how are you going to flatten the picture out?
Huh?
Because it's been rolled up.
We can put this back in the back.
Oh, it's still crinkles in it.
Now, so this is the picture, guys. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Woo! Love,
Yeah?
can you give me the scotch tape?
Where is it?
There in the... there.
Undo that tape then.
So you need to really hold the... No, just up in there.
Right.
And then you can see the square. And
Are you going to do any more? So you want to hold it up?
yeah, just to check. Woo!
Has it got white down the bottom?
No, I think because...
Oh, once you stick it down, you won't
So-
see it.
Yeah.
So you still need me, or you like? You want to put? I'll put one down here, wouldn't you?
Huh?
Can you put more, or no? You don't need it.
No, I just need this one.
All right, you good then?
So where is the head? I need to see the head. Where's the head? Yeah, it's correct. So, yan na yung dalawang picture. Yay! So, ilalagay namin sa room namin ni Craig. So, yan yung mga pot na nabili namin, guys. Huhugasan ko pa yan. So, guys, Craig is opening our back of our table.
More styrofoam.
How the table looks like that? Is it half?
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Oh. Yep.
A few bits, some instructions. That looks like a... More styrofoam, babe.
Yeah.
Dang.
First job tomorrow. Look at that! Is it pretty?
Yeah, that looks good, babe.
Ooh.
This looks like
The legs.
the table legs. So we've got one leg.
Yep. Say hi. Hey guys,
G'day everybody.
kalat na ng bahay namin,
2
guys.
legs. That's good. 2 legs. More packaging.
Unboxing. So I'll So, may music tayo guys. Nagano si Beb. Nagluluto na siya ng aming dinner. And yes, hi my love. So, nag-clean up. My love, can you post the picture, video, the music first because it's gonna copyright. And guys, Craig is making a dinner.
Not really. The oven's doing most of the work, babe.
Yeah, but you're still doing it. So, we clean now, guys. And, yeah. But, we have a bad news. Because this table, we need to bring it back. Because this is not the table that we want.
Model.
Yeah. This one is a hallway. It's not a coffee table. But it's all good. And, we got this new flower here in our hallway. So soon we were gonna change this hallway table with a nicer one because this is my sewing machine table. So yun guys, diba ang ganda ng aming display. And then dun yun na yung picture. Sa room namin ni Craig yan. And then yung isa nandun. So ililipat namin yan mamaya. So, diba? Oh, I love our house.
Start coming together, babe. We won't need too many more things.
Yep. And earlier, Beb already did the mailbox. You're so guapo there.
Didn't quite tighten up as best as I would like it, but it's okay.
It's not tighten enough. Why?
I'm not sure if our concrete's not quite level,
I think it's
but
not.
we can put a couple of
Yeah.
wedges underneath each corner and that'll fix it.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Then guys. So, look at the house. Excited na kami to put the curtain there. Malab, can you try to close the blinds there?
Try.
Yeah.
Can we close the window?
Yeah. And that we got already a blinds here, guys, and also in our bedroom.
Oh, you
And
didn't close the blinds?
no, not yet. Because I was... So, yun guys, may blinds na kami dyan. Yan. It's really nice, right? So, can you imagine? And also, our curtains is going to be the same color. And it's from the top to bottom. So, it's really a high ceiling kind of... What's that?
Floor to ceiling.
Yeah, floor to ceiling. Yeah, floor to ceiling curtain. So imagine that from there and here it's really long curtain. So it's going to be so fantastic. And the other rooms is already have. I'll show the
So
blinds.
do you want these to be crunchy, babe? Is that tonight? Or
Yes, yes. And ayan guys. Meron din kaming blinds dyan sa isa. So yan yung old table, makeup table, and then yeah, dito kami mag-work. So, yun guys, di ba? Meron na kami Plus, dito, di ba wala kaming curtain pa dyan, so ganyan muna. So, then dito sa room namin, meron na din siya ulit. May blinds, double blinds yan dyan. Ano ba yung isa yun? Sunroof ba yun tawag dyan? Basta, double yan. So, yan guys. And yan yung picture na nilagay ko dyan. But, ulitin namin ni Craig kasi ipapataas namin dyan. So, yan guys. And yan yung aking makeup table. So, hindi pa na-arrange dito kasi kakadati lang namin kanina. So, yan. Yan muna. Basta, balik tayo ulit dun. So, yan. Meron na kaming mga tahik. We're supposed to close the So, yun guys. Ang ganda talaga ng bahay namin, guys. And then, I really like this one. Pag napalitan na yan, maganda din. So, yeah. It's getting hot in here, so take it all your clothes. La 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 la. Yeah, baby. So guys, kain na kami guys. Yun yung aming dinner kasi hindi kami kanina ni Craig. So yan na. And we can have a gingerbread, my favorite drink. Gingerbread, gingerbread, gingerbread. So tara, kain.